start. During the process of establishing its common effluent treatment plant bracket open for sort the CETP bracket close in the heavy industrial area, the applicant moved an application for obtaining consent to establish and operate the same to the Jodhpur Pradushan Nivaran Trust for sort the trust stop. The tentative date of completion of the project was 15th June 2008 stop. According to the applicant, the trust is a body established by its trustees stop. With the sanction and permission from the government, it established a CETP and gave permission to the members like the applicant to discharge effluents into the drain that would be carried to the CETP of the trust and treated there prior to further discharge stop. According to the applicant, it was an arrangement of course not barred by any statutory provision that the industrial units in the RIICO heavy industrial area were required to discharge their effluents into the drain, which were to be treated at the CETP established by the trust, for which purpose the membership of the trust was given to the industrial units stop. Through a common drain, the trade effluents from the industrial units were carried to the CETP of the trust stop. All kinds of discharge, whether acidic or alkaline in nature, were treated at the CETP, thereby minimizing the charges of polluting the environment stop. The application of the applicant herein in the trust remained pending for a considerable time, and ultimately, White Order dated 8 July 2008, it was rejected by the trust stop. The relevant part of the said order of the trust reads as under stop. Your discharge quantity of effluent shown in the application is not justified, therefore membership is not guaranteed stop. Having received the above order, the applicant submitted a representation dated 5th August 2008 to the trust, stating therein that with the same kind of discharge as that of the petitioner's unit, some other units have been given membership, and the impugned action was apparently discriminatory stop. Similar letter was also written by the applicant on 17th February 2008, and a further request was made to the trust to give membership to the applicant stop. Despite his meeting with the managing trustee of the trust, the order dated 8th July 2008 was neither revoked nor modified stop. According to the applicant, the reason behind rejecting the application that the quantity of effluent shown being not justified was without any basis stop. On 23 September 2009, a social worker and ex-party stop.